Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the 2019 Corolla Hatchback. It's Tim Jones with Mayfield Toyota. First things first, you're going to notice that we have the blind spot monitors now on the Corolla. 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, looking very sharp there. Also going to have the nice LED headlamps with the projector style bulb. Quite a big improvement. As well as the new honeycomb grille and the fog lamps as well. You will also have the radar, and if we take a look at the windshield, the camera, that complete safety sense. This vehicle now not only has the lane departure alert with steering assist active, dynamic radar cruise control, and pre-collision, but also has bike detection, low light detection, and lane tracing assist as well. Coming around the side here, we can see that the body style has changed quite drastically. Of course, up there you'll see the fin, which has the antenna and everything for the radio, the new shark fin design. Backup camera there as well. You'll also see the 60/40 split seat. Now the back is quite spacious. Underneath you'll have your spare tire, of course with all the tools. That's standard now. Now, taking another brief look there, just pull that down. You will see the backup camera there. It's coming around the side. If we take a look in the back here, we'll see that the interior styling has changed quite a bit as well. You will now have the leather in the higher level trim. This is an XSE model, remember. You will have the nice stitching, nice storage space, a nice two sets of floor mats with the Corolla badging. Also, the nice paneling has changed as well to kind of a piano black. You will have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You'll also have the automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, heated wiper blades. You will have the 8-way power seat, as well as lumbar support. For those long drives, it definitely makes quite a difference. Quite a bit more of a sporty seat, kind of hugs your body a little bit more. You will also have the electronic parking brake and the brake hold position as well. So go ahead and turn the vehicle on. You will also have a sport mode as well as a traction control button. This vehicle does have a 10-speed CVT, as well as key wireless charging, heated seats as well. Now with that 10-speed CVT, we'll have a launch gear as well as a couple overdrive gears, give you the maximum amount of power. Looking inside, we do have a 2.1 amp charger as well as a traditional charger as well. Quite a bit of storage space. Now the nice thing is the center console also slides forward, gives you a little bit extra support there. Now looking at the climate controls, we do have the auto and the sync buttons, which is a dual zone climate control. So you can sync it to the driver's side and leave it on auto to heat or cool to your desired temperature. Coming up top, we do have the new Entune suite with the new display and the new layout. So we do have embedded nav in the higher trim levels. We also do have Apple CarPlay, as well as obviously all your other options for settings for the phone and everything as well. Now, because we don't have an Apple phone connected here, we're not going to see too much, but it basically mirrors your Apple phone. Coming back to the home screen here, you will see the new layout. In the audio, we do have Sirius XM capabilities, the Bluetooth, NPR1, auxiliary, and all that good stuff. Now up top you will have the Safety Connect as well, which is part of the new Entune suite. This will connect you with somebody from Toyota Canada to better assist you. For example, if you got a flat tire, they would be able to assist you in any way that they can and get you the services that you need. Now looking at the steering wheel, we do have the cruise control settings on the right side there. Again, cruise control is dynamic, meaning that we can actually set a pace to follow the car ahead of us. On top of that, we also do have the Bluetooth connection, and we can run our phone and audio settings from there as well. Taking a look at the display, which has changed quite drastically, we do have the capability to see which station we're on up there. Clearly the odometer and the tachometer have changed as well. We do also have the compass there, and you will see that the blind spot monitors are enabled right now. Now going through, you'll see when we pull up the dynamic radar cruise control, it does bring up the menu where we can set the pacing for it. On top of that, you will see that as we cycle through here, it is a very simple layout to see. All the information for your vehicle as well is up there, so you can see the trip distance. You can also change the settings for lane departure or lane tracing, all that kind of good stuff as well. So if you do want to turn any of these systems off or maybe modify the sensitivity, you can do that as well. Now lane tracing is an improvement over the previous lane departure alert with steering assist active. So it's even better. You will see the fuel economy, which is actually better. The record's a little bit out of date in this video, but the Corolla Hatchback now gets even better fuel economy than the current Corolla. And with that, that's pretty much everything that's coming in. Right now we'll see that the electronic parking brake is on as we started the vehicle. And on that note, we also do have the keyless entry and push button start. That's pretty much it for the Corolla Hatchback, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.